Hi, I'm Bob Baird with Coldwell Banker Gundaker Realty here in St. Louis, Missouri. VA, FHA, conforming, not conforming, jumbo, conventional, unconventional. What do all these terms mean? They are loan terms and relate to mortgages, but they can be extremely confusing. Let me explain. The range of mortgage options is quite wide, and some of the more popular types of mortgages I'm going to explain in just a minute. So to do this, let me show you a slide presentation I put together. And the first thing I want to talk about is the difference between interest rates and whether they're adjustable or fixed. Adjustable loans are what were called ARMs, adjustable rate mortgages. Used to be very, very popular when interest rates were fluctuating tremendously, and certainly when they were high. They're not so popular anymore, and you'll rarely see them. What you'll see now is what's called a fixed rate loan, and that means the interest rate that you establish with the lender at the onset stays the same throughout the loan. Another type, there are two types of government-backed loan programs that are very popular. There are more, but these are the two most popular. One is the VA loan and one is the FHA loan. Let me first talk about the VA loan. I am a former Navy officer and I love helping veterans buy homes. And usually the best way to do that is with a VA guaranteed loan. And you probably know this if you've watched any of my other videos. The beauty of the VA loan is that you don't need a down payment, and you don't have to pay PMI, which can add up to thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. This program is administered by the Veterans Administration. There is no minimum required credit score, although typically lenders will look for 580, but they can take less because the VA gives them a lot of latitude in establishing whether you can repay the loan. There is a funding fee, but sometimes this can be, certain people can be exempt from paying this, especially those who are disabled. And I know I have several videos that explain in far more detail all aspects of this program. So if you want to learn more about the VA Guaranteed Loan Program, you've come to the right place. The second most popular type of government-backed loan is the FHA loan, or the loan put out by the Federal Housing Administration. This allows most individuals in this country to buy a home with as little as 3.5% down. There is a minimum required score, which is 580. And they offer a lot of benefits, but one of the big benefits is that you can get in with a low down payment. You will pay PMI though, unless you're able to put down 20%. And again, you can put down more than 3.5%, but the FHA loan says that you only have to put down 3.5%. So what is a conventional loan? You've probably heard that term. And a conventional loan is simply a loan made by a bank or a mortgage company or a multitude of different types of lenders. And it's not backed by a government program like the VA or FHA. However, some conventional mortgages can be guaranteed by two government-sponsored agencies, which you've probably heard of, Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae. And conventional loan rates, the interest rates tend to be higher than those of government-backed mortgages, such as FHA and VA loans. And typically, to avoid PMI with a conventional loan, you do have to put down 20%. You can put down less, and your PMI may not be as much, but you have to put down 20% to avoid it altogether. So let me mention something called conforming loans and non-conforming loans. And what this means is that the loan conforms to the regulations set by, or the guidance set by Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae. And if a loan conforms to that, and typically it's the limits on how large the loan can be, then it is a conforming loan. But there is a very popular loan which is typically non-conforming, and that is called the jumbo loan. So if you imagine that conforming means staying within a certain budget ceiling or a certain home price ceiling, then the jumbo loan gets you out of that, and it allows you to have a loan larger than that amount. So it's called a non-conforming loan. And with a jumbo loan, if you have good credit, you can, and a good job and sufficient income, you can buy a home that's quite expensive. And VA will guarantee a jumbo loan if you qualify. So that's it. those are the different types of loan products that are most popular and how they work. If you have any questions about any of this, please reach out to my wife and I. We have a website devoted to both buyers and sellers, and especially the VA Guaranteed Home Loan Program. So if you have any questions, just reach out or check us out on our website. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and until we talk next time, please take care.